There are over 25 online personal loan lenders out there right now, and about 5 of them will approve you for up to $50,000 with no W-2s, no pay stubs, no proof of income whatsoever if you apply with the right data points and stay under their no-doc threshold. Now, most people have no idea these thresholds even exist. They walk in, ask for the wrong amount, pick the wrong loan purpose, and get hit with document requests that kill the entire plan. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to know the exact 5 lenders, which credit bureau they pull, what the credit score we're actually seeing get approved for is, and the exact no-doc dollar ceiling for each one of them. Let's get into it. Now, quick context, Credit with Colin. I'm an 8-year United States Marine Corps veteran. I run a real funding company. We have over 25 employees. We fund over $5 million a month. And look at this. Last month, we got $1.2 million in personal loan approved. And every single one of these we've done ourselves. We never make a YouTube video on something we haven't done ourselves, unlike all these fake gurus out there. So you know everything on this channel is the real deal. You can always trust you are in good hands. Links to work with my team to fix your credit or get approved for 100K plus in business funding turned into cash flowing assets are in the pinned comment and description below. Now, some of you might be wondering, what does no doc actually mean? It means no proof of income, no income documentation, no pay stub, W-2, no tax returns. The lender approves off of a stated income, your debt to income ratio, and sometimes without a hard pull. That's it. Every one of these lenders has 3 things you have to know before you ever hit apply. Number 1, the bureau they pull. Match your strongest report to the right lender. Number 2, the no-doc threshold, the dollar amount they'll fund without asking for documents. Stay under it. Number 3, how to apply. Accurate, aged data. You want to use the name and address on your credit report. So pull your credit report. You can pull it with IdentityIQ. Link in the pinned comment. Now, 2 rules on loan purpose. Why are you getting this loan, right? This decides a lot. Rule number 1, if you have excessive credit card utilization, your purpose should be debt consolidation. And honestly, if you've got credit card debt, you should use these loans to pay it down. It will skyrocket your score. You'll save money and interest. And when you put debt consolidation on the list off your credit cards, they will lower your interest rates. They'll pay off your cards directly for you. You could also link your checking account and turn on auto pay, and they'll give you another discount on your personal loan interest rate as well. Rule 2, if you do not have high utilization, the purpose should be a major purchase, such as a wedding, a vacation, or home improvement. You want the money. You don't need it. Banks lend to people who look like they don't need it. No-doc loan number 1, and the best no-doc odds of all of them is Lightstream. Lightstream pulls TransUnion. It's a hard credit check. This is a prime play. The best scores here are 730 to 750 plus. Though 690 is about the minimum, no late pays, no derogatories. The no-doc ceiling is $50,000. And here's the part nobody talks about. Lightstream's technically an auto loan lender when you apply, but reports as a personal loan, never asks for the vehicle title, VIN, nothing about the car. Lightstream loan can also get a second loan approved within 3 to 6 months for an additional $50,000. So you could stack 100 grand total on this play here. We even have an entire YouTube video. Number 2, Upstart or Upgrade. Upstart pulls TransUnion and Equifax. Upgrade pulls TransUnion. The best part, these accept fair credits, 650s, even 620, and we're seeing $17,500 and below is a better approval odds of no doc. So this is your move when your score isn't prime yet. You're not getting Lightstream $50,000 unless you have like a 730, 750. So this is for fair credits. And again, 17,500 and below is where we're seeing that no doc approval. Number 3, Prosper. This one's been approving a lot of people lately, even with 620 scores. They do a soft pull to check your rate, then a hard pull on TransUnion when you finalize. Fair credit is good, 650s range, and we're seeing it land below $15,000, even 25K with no docs. Same lane as Upstart and Upgrade, fair credit with a clean report. This is a solid third option to stack on personal loans. Number 4 is SoFi or Best Egg. These are essentially the same company. They both pull your Experian. They both work better at 730, 750 plus, and below $50,000. We're seeing no doc approvals. They're basically twins, and the purpose can be debt consolidation or a major purchase. Both are good to use here, so play whichever one fits your utilization. Number 5, and the strictest on the list, is Lending Club. They pull TransUnion. This one wants prime, 730, 750 plus. An existing Lending Club bank relationship helps, or a prior Lending Club personal loan. It can go no docs for 50,000 and below, but realistically 35,000 and below is that sweet spot. Now, this one really works if you have that relationship with them. That's what's really going to jump the no doc approval odds. Again, same bracket as like SoFi, Best Egg, and also Lending Point is another one. It's 36,000 and below, but we are seeing no doc approvals there. Now, real talk, these 5 aren't all of them. There are actually another 3 or 4 no-doc personal loan lenders we didn't cover in this video that are on a full lender sheet inside our community, right? We have all of the documents, all of what bureau they pull, what docs are required, what's the best way to apply. Link to join our school community is in the pinned comment as well. You could get access to this sheet. You could get access to all the videos on how to apply for these no-doc personal loans as well. Now, the number one way to get approved for no-doc across all of these is be as debt-free as possible, clean your credit report before you apply, and if you need credit repair or hard inquiry removal, again, that's what we have our community for. Inside our school community, you get free credit repair, you get free hard inquiry removal on all 3 bureaus, our list of 23 plus personal loan lenders with all of their data points, and even video guides showing you how to apply for each. Links in the description and in the pinned comment to join. Now, if you want to go beyond no-doc, here's the truth. $60K W-2 or pay stub income is crucial. It's not for the no-doc loans, forget those for a second, but to unlock low interest personal loans and stack up to multiple 6 figures in funding with documented income, my team can literally get you 50 to 300 grand plus in term loans. And that's not no-doc money, but that's serious deployable capital at good interest rates. And here's what you can do with that capital. You can literally buy cash flowing assets, turnkey laundromat, car wash, a franchise, or a cash flowing Section 8 real estate properties. You're not just borrowing, you're buying income. And we do this inside our school community. We do the credit stack, we do the asset side, the whole playbook. So whether you're starting a no-doc or you're looking to use your W-2 income to stack capital, this is where you want to go. Now that's the 5: Lightstream, Upstart, Upgrade, Prosper, SoFi, Best Egg, and Lending Club. Apply with the right bureau, stay under their no-doc ceiling, pick the right loan purpose, and you can pull serious capital without handing over any pay stubs or W-2. Guys, as always, be sure to drop a comment below, show your boys some support, even if it's just an emoji, or ask me any question. I personally answer every single one of them. I appreciate every single one of you guys. It's us versus the banks. We got to stack this capital. We got to turn it into life-changing cash flow for our families as well. Be sure to like and subscribe. We got a lot of fire videos coming out here in a little bit. As always, guys, links for credit repair or to work with my team one-on-one to get 100K plus in funding are in the pinned comment description below, as well as to join our community. And it's Credit with Colin. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Deuces!